How to draw the Cookie Monster, step by step. Hey, what's going on, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? So for the first step, let's begin by drawing two small circles for the outline of the eyes, right towards the top center of the page. Now each of the circles that we draw will both be connected. Nice! Now on the inside of each eye, let's go ahead and draw the pupils. Beginning on the right hand side, let's draw one circle towards the top and fill it in completely black, and we'll do the same thing on the left hand side, however this pupil will be towards the bottom of the eye. Now once we're all done, the next step will be to draw the outline of the face along with the rest of the body, and keep in mind that when we draw the outline of the body and the face for a Cookie Monster, there's going to be a lot of pointy edges to make the fur. Now we're going to make an outline for the bottom of the face, however it's not going to connect completely from the left hand side to the right. There will be some small openings. Fantastic! Now in that big blank space right below the eyes, we're now going to draw the mouth, which will be drawn open. Later on when we color in our drawing, you'll notice that the mouth will be colored in completely black. Well done. Now we're going to begin to draw the first arm, however we're not going to finish it just yet. Let's go ahead and draw a big curvy line with a lot of small pointy edges going from the left hand side to the right. This will be the top line of the arm of the Cookie Monster. Now to finish the arm and hand that we just started, we're going to want to go to the left hand side of the face, and we're going to draw a big curvy line that will go all the way underneath the line that we just made for the top of the arm, and it will connect. This line will also help us make our other fingers of Cookie Monster on this hand. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Nice! So far we're making great progress. Now attached to the arm that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the first leg on the left hand side along with the first foot as well. In total, the Cookie Monster will have 3 toes on each foot that we draw. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice, so far we're all done drawing the left hand side of the body. Now let's move over to the right hand side, and let's begin by drawing the first shoulder, which will be connected to the right side of the face. Next, right below the point where we just stopped, we're going to draw the right side of the body along with the right leg. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Just like how the left hand side had a total of 3 toes, this will be the same situation on the right hand side as well. Great job! Now let's move back up and let's go ahead and finish drawing the right arm along with the right hand, which will also be holding a small cookie. Now attached to the hand, we're going to draw a small circular shape that is slightly squiggled. This will be the outline of the cookie. So now we still have to draw one more finger, so let's go ahead and draw one last finger attached to the bottom of the cookie. Now on the inside of the cookie, we still have to add in chocolate chips, so let's go ahead and draw small shapes and fill them in completely black to make chocolate chips. Now last but not least, all over the body, I'm going to add in small lines for detail. If you want to skip ahead and then color in your drawing, then feel free to do so, or stay with me and we can add in our detail together. This is how to draw the Cookie Monster. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. And don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.